lost cause, meaning our cause is hopeless. The scientists put such distance between us and the scripture. The children think that they are for the layers, and it's on a voice the teacher teaches hostility. And yet the government won't let school children pray, and just seem like a club to them to pick their teams, then divide up just to see who will get to heaven. Ooh, watch them now, gone astray. I said we watch them now, iniquity them spray. To be in a position to influence the population is a gift given to us. But too many MCs rise to talk of killing and demise. They glamorize and glorify murder to cause a death at your own hands. You're doomed, you're doomed. Talking on the track, how you're a murderer, murderer. It's over, over, over. Oh, watch them now, gone astray. Watch them cause they never know themselves. When the Gideon crash, y'all, fire in front of them. Oh, what a judgment. I'm a Gideon. Men just want to make themselves speak, and they won't see Rasta. They don't see Rasta. Christian and Catholic, Protestant and Methodist, I know you don't see Rasta. You don't see Rasta. In all high council of the land where wisdom is contraband, you won't see Rasta. Won't see Rasta.